Hello there. My name is Teacher Camille, and I teach English and Tagalog. I live here at Laguna, Philippines. We have the largest inland body of water in our country, the Laguna de Bay. I'm a people person. That's why, in able to explore it, I'm accepting tutorial face to face and online. I love teaching Tagalog as my native language and English as my second language. The style of the lesson will depend upon you and your interests to ensure that we're really enjoying. We can be crazy if you want to, or we can totally be serious. Magandang araw! Para sa nagnanais na matuto ng Tagalog, handa akong tulungan ka. Ang paraan ng aking pagtuturo ay madali lamang at nakadepende sa iyo at sa iyong interes para makasiguro tayong ito ay iyong naiintindihan. Halina't mag-book na. I hope to see you soon!